Racing just is started. We have Frozen Margarita. Break quickly at the start. In the middle portion comes the master, King Patrick, the chairman, JST Good Humor, then followed over by Treasure Hunter, Valentine Rose, while My Ray is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn is the master. Alongside comes the chairman. 5 lengths further back in third comes Frozen Margarita. Next on line is Treasure Hunter, Good Humor. Alongside now is King Patrick. Moving up now on the outside is My Ray, JST second last, while Valentine Rose now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Z Master by over length and a half. The chairman in second, Frozen Margarita still in third, then followed by Treasure Hunter, King Patrick, My Ray now coming closer, then followed by Good Humor. Next on line, JST and Valentine Rose, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Z Master this time by about 3 lengths, coming closer now in second is My Ray, and down the stretch they come. We have Z Master, My Ray moving up on the outside, King Master, My Ray on the outside, Z Master, My Ray, and finally it's Z Master, My Ray, King Patrick, then comes number 1 Treasure Hunter and Good Humor.